Snosy. Snosy. Exactly who are you singing to? Everyone's fucking asleep. Except for that bird. Oh, no. The other parakeet's awake. And now the baby. Now this usually works as a chain reaction. Because he is awake. He is awake and he's dancing. He's dancing. He's doing the bobo dance. So he's going to start singing soon. There he goes. He's going to start singing. And then everyone else is going to start waking up. You just wait. There's Monster. There's Monster right there. He heard it. He heard it. But he got poofy again. And he shut up. Oh, sleepy eyes down there. Go back to sleep, Monster. The life in my birdcage. In case you're wondering, that is Daddy Peterhead. And in the front there with no head, that's Mama, who laid it. There's two eggies down there. That's Monster, which is her biological son. And Monster's boyfriend, Mr. Bill. My best friend Kelly's bird. His name is Bird. He's very easy to wake up. Watch. Bird! Bird, 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 bird! Hi, Bird! See? He says hi. Because he's a good bird. Which made Mr. Bill open his eye. Pudge is still down for the count. Preening. I think they're going to sleep back there. Still won't shut up. Dead. Oh, and by the way. Dead. Well, no. Looking at me now. Dead. Sisters are dead. Kitties. Dead.